Hello everyone. I am focusing on special empowerment schemes for scheduled caste. The schemes that are being covered in this video are these: Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana, Babu Jagjeevan Ram Chhatravas Yojana, Dr. Ambedkar Foundation, Babu Jagjeevan Ram National Foundation. Let us see the first one, that is Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana. This is centrally sponsored scheme. The centrally sponsored scheme called Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana is being implemented for integrated development of scheduled caste majority villages having scheduled caste population concentration more than 50%. This particular Yojana or the scheme is focusing those villages of India where scheduled caste population is above 50%. Initially, the scheme was launched in 1,000 villages in 5 states. Those are Assam, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. In the beginning phase of this scheme, 1,000 villages were focused of 5 states. This scheme is then revised on 22nd January 2015. Then the scheme is extended to 1,500 scheduled caste majority villages in Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, West Bengal and Odisha. After the revision of this scheme, this scheme was focusing more number of villages in different states that are specified at the bottom. Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana has following objectives. The main objective of the scheme is integrated development of scheduled caste majority villages. The main purpose of this scheme is to focus those villages where scheduled caste people are in majority through convergent implementation of the relevant central and state schemes. The objective is to combine the central and state schemes which are relevant to each other, then implement them. By providing central assistance in the form of gap filling funds to the extent of rupees 20 lakh per village, to be increased by another 5 lakh if state makes a similar contribution. This particular scheme provides central assistance in the form of gap filling funds, in the sense if there are two different schemes and if there is a gap or there are different activities, but if there are gap felt among them, then this particular scheme will provide central assistance to fill those gaps in different activities relevant to the empowerment of scheduled castes. And for this purpose, this scheme provides rupees 20 lakh per village, and it can be increased to 5 lakh if state also provides a similar contribution. That is, if state also is willing to contribute 5 lakh, then central government will also increase the amount or the capital to 5 lakhs other than 20 lakh by providing gap filling component to take up activities which do not get covered under the existing central and state government schemes. If there are gaps left after the implementation of central and state government schemes, then this particular scheme will provide gap filling components. The next is Babu Jagjeevan Ram Chhatravas Yojana. The prime objective of the scheme is hostel construction program with a view to provide hostel facility to scheduled caste boys and girls studying in middle schools, high secondary schools, colleges and universities. The basic purpose of this scheme is hostel construction for scheduled caste students. The scheme provides central assistance to state governments, union territories, administration, central and state universities or institutions. Central assistance is provided under this scheme to state governments and union territories, to state and central universities as well as institutions for the construction of new hostel buildings and for expansion of the existing hostel facilities. When governments are concerned or the government universities are concerned, under this scheme new hostel buildings can be constructed as well as old hostel buildings or their facilities can be expanded. But when the NGOs or private universities are concerned, as it is given in the last point, the NGOs and deemed universities in private sector are eligible for central assistance only for expansion of their existing hostel facilities. In other words, deemed universities and NGOs will not be given assistance for constructing new buildings. However, they will be given funds to expand their existing hostels facilities. The next is Dr. Ambedkar Foundation. Dr. Ambedkar Foundation was set up on 24th March 1992 as a registered body under the Registration of Society Act 1860. This particular foundation was established on 24th March 1992 and it was registered under Registration of Societies Act 1860 and under the Ministry of Welfare, Government of India. The primary objective of setting up of the foundation is to promote Dr. Ambedkar's ideology and philosophy. The main purpose of this particular foundation is to promote Dr. Ambedkar's ideology and philosophy and also to administer some of the schemes which emanated from the 100th anniversary celebration committee's recommendations. But some more schemes were introduced during the 100th anniversary celebration of Dr. Ambedkar. During this celebration, whatever recommendations committee had given, even those schemes will be implemented. The next is Babu Jagjivan Ram National Foundation. The Babu Jagjivan Ram National Foundation was established by the Government of India as an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. This foundation also is established under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and it is an autonomous organization and it is registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860 on 14th of March 2008. The main objective of the foundation is to propagate the ideals of the late Babu Jagjivan Ram on social reform as well as propagate his ideology, philosophy of life, mission and vision to create a casteless and classless society. The main aim of Babu Jagjivan Ram was to create a casteless and classless society to avoid untouchability and to avoid the sufferings of some of the human beings. So his ideology and his philosophy of life shall be implemented. This is the main aim of Babu Jagjivan Ram National Foundation.